So for the breakout, we're up 90%. I don't know if it's the highest high it's been. There's an 89. I think it was up to 92 like in the middle of the day, and then maybe a loss later pulled it down around that area. But you can see here over the past few weeks, it's been pretty flat, right? You can see these red and these green bars and red bars are how many pips were lost in one each day. So like for example here, it lost 100 pips. Here it gained 150 pips, gained 90, gained 98. You can see what it gains and loses. So it usually stays within plus or minus 100 pips. So what's this one? 60 pips, 59 pips, 30 pips, you know. Today it was 129 pips, May 26th. Yesterday it only lost 15 pips. Day before it 174. Then day before it lost 60. Then 145 and then 196 that day. So it's been on a nice streak. I'll show you the actual trades, but you can see it opened with 5,000. It's up to 95.18. So it's not the highest it's been. It's been up to 9,600. Right now it's at 9,500. And that was April 7th. So it's been over a month of pretty flat. It's just been holding steady, waiting for this market to break out again. We're looking for another big move like this. I think we might be on the verge of getting it. The market looks like it's primed, but if you look at the 4-hour charts, you'll see that during this time they've been contracting. Well, now they're starting to break new highs, and at least the hour charts are now starting to get white zone expansions, and I think we're starting to see this perform better during that time. So we had 129 pips overnight. This thing has won a total of 885 pips. That's what this thing has pulled so far, hitting between 36 and 40% of trades. It only hits 40% of trades. Keep that in mind, but look at the risk reward. It's over 2-to-1 to the positive. 34 pips on the average, 15 pips on the loss. You see how I did that? So, all right, that's pretty good. Now, this is overnight trades. All right, so these are the 4 trades on the 26th. So 30, 30, 30, almost 40, 3%, 3%, 3%, 3.5%. And then we lost yesterday. One trade. Then the day before, the 22, we lost 1 and then won 3. And then let's see. So we had some losers on the 21st. All losers 4. That was a bad day. On the 19th, 1 winner, 45 pips, not bad. 18th, we had 3 winners and a loser. So it's ever since the 18th, we've been doing well, doing very nicely. Didn't have that must have been the weekend. So 15th, 14th. All right, but you're definitely going to go through times like this, and these hurt. All right, but then you get streaks like this, and that makes up for it. This is it. Let's see. We started on February 27th. You know, it's the same account we've been showing you in the update videos. There was something else I was going to show. How many trades have we taken? 236 trades. 91 out of 236. All right, so this is the breakout. This is the 1530 setup I've been showing you guys. It's up 90%. It was up 90 already in just a month. Now in the next following month, we've just caught back up to where we are. We've gotten as low as just being up 48%. That's still not bad growth for that period of time. Being up 50% after being February 2 months is not bad. That's 25% a month right there. So it's February 27th we started. So to March 27th, April 27th, and now we're at May 27th tomorrow. Wow. So after February to March, March to April, April to May. So 3 months, it'll be up 90%. That's 30% a month. Now I know we were there already, but that's just the way it goes. All right, still not bad growth. All right, so I'm looking for a double on that. Any questions about the breakout bot at the moment? And then we'll get into the monster. You guys good on this one? We'll talk about setting it up another time on your account. We'll just do the performance this time. But do you want to know anything about the trades? Do you want to know? We can do a little more research if you want, really quick. Let's see what symbols are doing best. Let's go analyze them. Let's get rid of the growth for a minute. Growth for a minute. Okay. What's this one? Dollar Canada. Wow. Dollar Canada is a good one to run this thing on. See that? That's Dollar Canada right there. Really nice performance on Dollar Canada. What else? Pound dollar is good. Pound yen 10%. Dollar yen good. Euro yen, euro dollar. The euro pair is not much, right? Euro dollar and euro yen, not that great. Those are the 2 worst on this strategy right now. Interesting, right? So, but we're only running it on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 currencies. Let's just do Dollar Canada and see how it's doing. Look at that thing. Look, I mean, this thing makes pips, almost 51 pips. Then it loses 15, loses 15. Then it makes 18, makes 54. I mean, it's actually hitting over 50-something% of its trades with a positive risk reward. This is what I was talking about, is a holy grail type situation. When you have a situation where not only is your risk reward positive, but you win more than 50% of trades. I mean, that's insanity for Dollar Canada. It's a really good Dollar Canada bot, isn't it? At least it has been. Let's see all the trades. It's only taken 35 trades since when? So February. So on day one, it was taking Dollar Canada trades. I mean, look at this. It's really nice. So that's Dollar Canada, and it took trades up to yesterday. It doesn't take trades every day. So far, it's only taken 3 trades this month. I mean, that may not be enough to live on, right? April was a little better. But this market's got to move. May hasn't been a great month. Let's go custom analysis. Let's get out of that. Let's go to timing. Let's see what Friday does. Friday's usually a good day for breakouts. Well, yeah, it's done well. It's only 39 trades on Friday. 70% of the longs, 43%. So Friday's been good. Can't not trade them on Fridays. I think pretty much every day you got to do. Let me see. Mondays is probably the worst day. Let me see. Wow. I almost say let's stop doing them on Mondays. Look at this. Maybe we should just not trade them on Mondays at all. I mean, you miss a couple trades, but look at all these we would have saved. Look at all these losses we would have saved. Let's just do it now. Every day except Monday. Look at that. It's a double. If we leave Mondays alone, we've already doubled. Look at that. I'm thinking we should ignore Mondays for the breakouts. All right, traders. Have a good one. All right. This is Sam Shakespeare signing out.